Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Google Keep for to-do lists and reminders. So Google Keep is a note application from Google, and here I'm going to show you how you can create a to-do list with Google Keep. What you need to do is to open the keep.com, and then to start creating a to-do list, you can just click on this to take a note. And in here, for example, I'm going to just go today's to-do list. Now you can just take a note. In here, you can tap on this three dots icon and click on the show checkboxes. So you can just add the items that you want for your to-do list. For example, in the morning, I'm going to just go with morning run. You can click on plus to add a new item. Sorry, click on enter on your keyboard, and for example, breakfast, go to work, take a bath, go to work. So you can just add the items that you want. You can click on close and it will be automatically saved. So you can just check this box to cross the ones that you already done. And now to create reminders, what you need to do is just click on this reminders option on the left panel menu. And in here again, click on the take a note in here. For example, this is the title. You can just add any title here. Reminder, for example, don't forget to pick up mom. For example, here you can set the time. If you want to change it, just click on this and you can set the time to how you like it. You can use this option, or you can also use customize time here. I'm going to go with 9 and click on save. Close this, and now the notes with reminders will be saved to your notes. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.